First, open Ideogram AI and sign in to your account. If you want to use Ideogram AI for business, start by deciding what type of business content you want to create. Ideogram AI can be useful for creating marketing graphics, advertising concepts, social media posts, product visuals, posters, brand concepts, presentations, and other creative business materials. Before generating anything, think about your brand identity. Consider your brand colors, target audience, industry, visual style, and the message you want your content to communicate. Now open the image generation area and write a detailed business-focused prompt. For example, if you run a coffee business, you could ask for a premium coffee advertisement featuring a modern coffee cup, warm natural lighting, elegant typography, a clean background, and professional commercial photography. If you want specific text in the design, include the exact wording and describe how you want it displayed. Next, choose the appropriate aspect ratio based on where you plan to use the image. For example, you might need a landscape design for a website banner, a portrait design for social media, or another format for an advertising campaign. Generate several variations and compare the results. Look for designs that are professional, clear, visually attractive, and consistent with your brand. If something doesn't look right, improve your prompt and generate another version.